Ball. What a good bird. This is cracking me up. Get the ball. Get the ball. Now I'm waiting for her to actually pick it up towards her. Rewarding her for using her little foot as a tool. Get the ball. And get the ball. There we go. Just gonna get her to touch the stick and do something different. Okay, touch it. She likes this game. Okay, get the ball. Touch it. See, now she's getting smart and holding on to the ball. Get the ball. Good. I'll make her around and touch the stick. Touch it. Next time I'll make her get the ball. And then we're done. She's still chewing. Get the ball. See? Good. She got a little confused, so she just touched it lightly. But that works. We'll give her one more try. She's getting tired. Cleaning her beak. Touch the ball. Good. And I'm getting tired holding the camera. All done.